Clara loved visiting antique shops. She could spend hours wandering through aisles filled with old books, dusty trinkets, and forgotten treasures. One afternoon, as she explored a quiet little shop in her town, something caught her eye: a painting of a serene lake surrounded by tall, green trees. The painting wasn't signed, but something about it felt special. Clara decided to buy it and hung it in her living room. The next morning, as she sipped her coffee, Clara glanced at the painting. Something was different. She leaned closer. "Was that canoe always there?" she murmured. In the middle of the lake, a small wooden canoe had appeared, though she could have sworn it wasn't there the day before. Clara shook her head, thinking she must have missed it. But the next day, another detail appeared: a bird flying over the lake. Each morning, the painting revealed something new: ripples in the water, a shadow of a person near the trees, and a faint path leading into the forest. Fascinated, Clara began taking notes, sketching each new detail that appeared. She even tried researching the painting online, but there was no information about it or the artist. Then, one evening, as she studied the painting, she noticed something unusual in the forest path: a set of letters carved into the trees. They spelled out a name: J. Rue. Maybe that's the artist, Clara thought. She searched the name and discovered an old article about an artist named Julien Roux who had created unique, magic paintings. According to the article, Julien's work often contained hidden puzzles meant to be solved by the owner. Excited, Clara examined the painting more closely. The forest path seemed to lead to a small cabin which hadn't been there before. Inside the cabin's window was the faint image of a letter. The next morning, Clara couldn't resist anymore. She decided to follow the clues. Using the sketches she had made, she pieced together a location: an old cabin near a lake outside the town. When she arrived, she found the cabin almost exactly as it appeared in the painting. It was abandoned, but inside, hidden in a small drawer, was an envelope with Julia Roux's name on it. The letter inside was addressed to the artist's family. "To my loved ones, this painting is my gift to you. It holds the story of our family and the struggles we overcame. Let it guide you to the truths we hold dear. Remember to share our story so it is never forgotten. With love, Julian." Clara felt a sense of wonder and connection. She returned home feeling like she had uncovered a piece of history. From that day on, the painting stopped changing, but Clara didn't mind. It had already given her an unforgettable adventure and a glimpse into a family's legacy. She decided to honor Julian Roux's wish and share the story, ensuring it would never be forgotten.